In this video, we're going to show you how to prepare for the workshop. As you know, R&D tax relief is all about rewarding innovative activities. In advance of the workshop, we really need you to start thinking about your projects, both the ones that you know qualify and those that you think will potentially qualify. Remembering that the definition of R&D tax isn't limited to just sophisticated blue sky thinking. At any one point, your company is able to make an R&D tax claim for its 2 previous financial periods. As a general guide, write a list of the most technically challenging projects that you and your team have had to resolve. This should include projects that have failed. Remember, R&D is often embedded within your commercial projects and is not just limited to your internal development work. For example, within product manufacturing, we often find R&D activities across 4 main areas. The first is the initial product design activities. This is when you and your team sit down with a blank sheet of paper and design a widget from scratch. The second, and often overlooked, is product improvement activities. Your attempts to make a leaner, meaner, more durable version of your product will likely qualify. In addition to your pre-manufacturing activities, you can also look to include projects where you are improving manufacturing processes. This can include those attempts you make to give your machines new functionality or attempts to automate previously manual processes. Lastly, we often find eligible activities within the development of internal software in support of your business functions. To help frame our conversations at the workshop, put your ideas down in the workshop preparation document. Finance team, great news. All we need from you is a list of all of your employees. Again, put these down in the workshop preparation document. Please don't spend more than half an hour on these tasks, and if at any point you need some inspiration, there are loads of case studies and examples on our website. Or of course, pick up the phone and we'd be happy to help you.